Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OPPO A15s to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. From this screen, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and repeat all of those steps. So open, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select Receive on an Android and Send on OPPO. Then click on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one file, like this photo. Click on Send and tap on Got It. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key here and choose Receive. And now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!